Hi friends, in this video I will talk to you about a great investment opportunity. If you're ready, let's get started. With Binance's Auto Invest feature, you can achieve long-term gains. Moreover, since there's a possibility you might forget about your investment after making it, you could encounter fantastic surprises long after you've invested. Let me explain how to use Auto Invest. Log into your Binance account and hover over the Finance tab. Below, you'll see the option for Auto Invest. Click on it. If you don't have a Binance account, you can register by clicking on the discounted link in the video's description. Now we're on the Auto Invest screen. In the upper right corner, there's a table showing how much you've earned from auto investing. You can see how much profit you've made in this table. I'm using an account that hasn't been auto invested before to show you how much profit I'll make in future videos. I only tried $1 on this account once. I made this experiment to see the new functions before shooting a video. I'll show you how much I've earned later. We're getting started. I'm scrolling down the page. Here I have two different options: single investment and multi-assets investment. If you want to invest in just one cryptocurrency, you should use single token. If you want to invest in multiple assets, you can go for multi-assets. Yeah, look at the great options in multi-assets. Using this section, you can select Ethereum projects, Bitcoin Ethereum pair, DeFi projects, or the best artificial intelligence projects. Now I'm going to use the single token option. Here you see Bitcoin. Right next to it, you can see how much Bitcoin has earned investors over 5 years. Notice how well BNB has performed so far. If the project you're looking for isn't listed here, you can use the search section in the upper right to find the coin you want. I want to create an investment plan for Bitcoin. I'm clicking on the Create a Plan button on the right side. I'll use USDT as the payment method, and I want to make a small investment of $10. When you scroll down, you'll see the details of your plan. I'll be investing $10 every month on the 15th day at 12 o'clock. And now I'm ready to create the plan. I accept and confirm. My investment is complete. You can see the plan you created in the My Auto Investment Plans section. If you want, you can stop the plan you created, or you can use the pencil icon here to edit your plan. To see how much you've earned, click on the Go to Wallet button on the right. This button will take you to your Earn wallet. Your earnings will be transferred to your Earn wallet. That is all. Using the automatic investment option, you can accumulate cryptocurrency just like you accumulate gold. Don't think that your investment is small and won't bring significant returns. You may start with small investments, but one day, these small investments can surprise you. By automatically investing a small portion of your earnings every month, you can make significant gains in the future. By the way, this video is not investment advice. I'm telling you about the crypto world and showing you strategies that could be important in the future. It's your decision whether to invest or not. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Stay tuned. See you in the next video.